Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Davinci Resolve how to add transition in the video. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Davinci Resolve and select the file and select import and select media. Select the video you want to edit and then just drag and drop to the timeline. And now we are in the cut option. You just need to cut the video where you want to add the transition. I'm gonna cut this for example. To do this, select the scissor option over here and the video has been cut right here. Now go to edit option and on right side in toolbar under you can able to see video transitions. Just click on it and on right side you can able to see option cross dissolve. Just just need to drag and drop the cross dissolve right over here in the point we cut. You can increase the effort how much you want, but I'm gonna keep it like 15 second. And then here are the transition that people use. You can preview it, just drag your mouse like this and you can preview it. Even more transition are here guys, just scroll down and fusion transitions. You can able to preview it just by dragging the mouse. After the you want any one of these, you just need to just drag and drop here guys. I show you guys. I'm gonna do this one. Just drag and drop the transition you want right here. You just need to drag and drop it and then I'm gonna play the video. You can increase or decrease the transition effect by using this like this, as you can see. As you can see, and that's how you can do it guys. And don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.